Hello and welcome back to Free Code Camp's ES6 introduction. This is set default parameters for your functions. It says in order to help us create more flexible functions, ES6 introduces default parameters for functions. Check out this code. We have our function, which is greeting, and it has name assigned anonymous, and then within that function it just returns hello plus name. If we console.log our greeting function and pass in John, we would get hello John. If we console log our greeting function without passing in anything, we would get hello anonymous. The default parameter kicks in when the argument is not specified or when it's undefined. As you can see in the example above, the parameter name will receive its default value anonymous when you do not provide a value for the parameter. You can add default values for as many parameters as you want. Modify the function increment by adding default parameters so that it will add 1 to number if value is not specified. So we have here the increment function, and we want to add default parameters so that it will add 1 to number if value is not specified. So here's number, there's value, so we want to make value equal 1 when it's not specified. By doing that, it's going to return number plus 1. So let's run this test, see if we pass, and we did pass. So this one was kind of tricky when you really think about it, but not really when you think it through. It seems kind of pointless. That's why it's not like intuitive at first. But all we're doing is, if value isn't specified, we want to automatically add 1 to number. So off the top of my head, I can't think of a scenario where this would be helpful, but I'm sure there is. As long as you're understanding that, the most important thing really to get from this is that we are able to put default values in case somebody doesn't, like let's say we had name here and maybe age here. If we didn't know what age was, we want to give it just like a random default value, like didn't answer. So that would be helpful. So you know all the people who just didn't answer it, or etc., etc. As long as you're getting that, you're getting this, and I'll see you in the next lesson.